Clean plates are very nice, a clean house is double the nice. Let's make some excellent and organic and affordable dishwasher soap at home. Those are our base ingredients. Some organic and affordable dishwasher soap concentrate for €1.10. This is going to be the old plastic container that we fill up. This is the foamer that creates foam from the soap, and this is going to be the vinegar, budget vinegar from Spain. The French soap, Spanish vinegar, and the European advanced technology foamer for the dishwasher soap. And we're gonna mix all of this into this old plastic container. Let's do that. The very simple and powerful idea: we just dilute the soap concentrate with vinegar and water and use a foamer to extend the effectiveness or extend the usefulness of the soap itself. The concentrate is a bit a little thicker or more slimy ingredient. The foamer doesn't take the slimy liquids, it takes only liquids that are a little bit more bland, like water. Let's dump it all in there. The 6% vinegar is going to be useful in the soap for the dissolvement or the removal of the plaques, of the calcium plaques that are on the dishes or on anything else. It's a very mild vegetable vinegar, which is a 6% concentrate of vinegar, the most budget one for 60 cents. So the total price is going to be €1.70. The rest is going to be diluted with water. Yes, let's just fill it up with water till it's full. It's going to be a diluted concentrate and vinegar, which will still work in the foamer. The budget part of this comes from the idea that the price of the soap concentrate is diluted by water and vinegar, which makes it more affordable in the end. Mix it up, shake it up, shake it up. It helps the process, I guess. Just like that, we got our budget dishwasher detergent. Let's fill up the foamer, the foam maker. And that's basically it. Bam, bam, bam. Guess it worked. The foam goes everywhere. Maybe it's time to clean some dishes. And just like that, we made our own budget, organic, and very economical dishwasher detergent soap. Doesn't work for all soaps, but for the dishwasher concentrate it works very well. Save some money and keep our rivers clean. The fish like clean water, and we like to eat fish without soap. Hope it helps to save some money and to save the environment in any place that you live. Thank you for watching, have fun.